in two dimensions. We can see length and breadth of a surface. We cannot see the deep. To overcome this process of situation, 3D printers are the invented to take this process. Print of the object is three dimension.
3D printing is a part of process known as additive manufacturing, where any object is created by adding material and layer to layer form 3D object. First, we want to create a blueprint object we want to print. You can use modeling software like Tinkercad. You can print your design. After completing the sketch, you want to send it to a printer. Printers have renewable bioplastic spools backside of a device mostly like a string. The creation of some amazing pretty products behind simple tools and toys. Doctor could test the 3D printer organs and some suggest test the 3D printer organs. In future, customization medical devices such as dental eyeliners, surgery instrument and replaces this all allowed in 3D printer.
The materials required in the process of 3D printer are bioplastic spool and carbon fibers, aluminum, diesel, bioin, etc.
And we made phone stand MSR name with 3D printer with 3D technology. And we can create many tools, toys, jewelry, furniture, etc. by this 3D printer.